Hello everyone, it's Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed the cocktail yesterday. Let me know in the comments in Instagram or in Facebook if you tried it at home. And if you liked it, welcome. We welcome all your comments. Today, we're going to be making a different cocktail. It's called pineapple coconut Mai Tai. And for that, we are using our Piña Colada tea. This is really fragrant, and it has, of course, pineapple pieces, some shredded coconut, hibiscus, apple pieces, among other ingredients. Pineapple, I love pineapple. It contains a lot of antioxidants. It helps with your digestion, and also is an anti-inflammatory food. Coconut is also very good. It helps to strengthen your teeth and your bones, and it also helps with the health of your skin. Hibiscus also is a very good ingredient. It's very present in this tea, and that's why you can see it's so red, how it looks like. It has also a lot of antioxidants and might decrease the fat in the bloodstream, which increases the good cholesterol or the LDL cholesterol. So for the cocktail today, we're going to use our shaker again. And I'm going to pour here 1.5 tablespoons of chopped pineapple. And I'm going to mold it again to squeeze the juice of the pineapple, the sweetness. This one particularly is very sweet. And it's a fruit that you can find year-round in the supermarkets. After, I'm going to pour a little bit of coconut sugar, just a few drops of lemon, so a little bit of tangy flavor, a little bit of ice cubes, really like that, 1.5 ounces of rum, 3 ounces of coconut water, and 4 ounces of our Piña Colada tea. I put everything on the shaker. And shake it. I can actually probably strain it here. Then we add ice cubes to our glass. This is a super easy cocktail to make at home, fast, delicious, and refreshing. Can probably open it, it's probably better. I'm gonna put this part here. You can use some pineapple pieces to garnish. And if you like, you can chop a little bit more of pineapple and put it on your cocktail. And voila, here is your pineapple coconut Mai Tai with our Piña Colada tea. Enjoy!